Welcome back to the Future in Review FiReStarter Conversations. We're now joined by Steve Sherman, who is the Chief Operating Officer for a company called BioLogiQ. Their vision is a world free of pollution caused by plastic packaging. The company mission is to provide a way for people to use environmentally friendly plastic products made from renewable resources. Welcome.
Very true. Thank you.
Yeah. Tell us about your company.
BioLogiQ was a company that was formed by its founder, Brad LaPrey, in about 2011, trying to find a better use for some of the waste product that came from potato processing. So when you make potato chips or French fries, there's starch that comes from that process. We took that starch and tried to find a way to make a sustainable solution in terms of a plastic from that, and it was very successful in doing so. So by using both potato and corn as a basic feedstock, able to make a bioplastic that really fits into the sustainability solution for a lot of companies out there.
When you consider McDonald's Corporation, their consumption of Idaho potatoes, which I believe you use, I mean, that's a lot of product that hasn't been used. It's been scrapped before?
It's been scrapped. Most of the potato starch production in the United States doesn't come from raw potatoes. It actually comes as a byproduct from that waste stream.
Okay.
But we've just found a way to really leverage that waste stream in a successful way that really helps with sustainability solutions across the globe.
Okay. So the company is named BioLogiQ. Mm-hmm. The product is named New Plastic.
New Plastic.
And you have a number of products, including films, bags, injection molded parts, blow molded bottles, thermoformed parts.
So we provide the plastic for our customers to make those things.
They make those?
Yes, that's
okay.
right. So we produce
Raw
the resin.
Materials.
We produce the resin, and we provide that resin for folks to do all the things that you just mentioned.
And do you take the starch-based pieces of that and mix that with traditional petrochemical plastic?
Yeah, once we create our process through a proprietary, once we create our product through a proprietary process that creates new plastic, we take new plastic and then blend it with many other resins that are out there for the sustainability solution that matches what the customer needs are. So it's not a solution that stands alone or is going to replace other things more than it is something that acts as a central hub to many different kinds of plastics and many different kinds of sustainable solutions.
So what percentage might be the starch-based piece of that?
Typically it's between 20 to 30%. It can be as small as 5, it can be very small, or it can be larger than that, but that's the kind of product range that we typically see applications of.
Okay. So who are your customers?
We have lots of customers that are all over the world that buy products for their sustainable products. So that could be anyone that's producing films or producing plastic injection parts or is securing resins for thermoformed products.
And how do you get your products to them? Do you sell directly, or are you going through resellers, distributors?
Across the globe, we have a variety of distribution methods. We have direct sales, of course, that work with brands and customers to, in essence, pull the product through, where the brands are looking for a better solution, a better sustainability solution. They're looking for end-of-life suggestions on how to improve their sustainability solutions, and so we'll work with the entire value chain to do that. We also work through distributors and resellers that'll introduce us to the brands and the folks out there looking for sustainable solutions.
I would have to believe that some of the larger players would really want to emphasize their use of this type of product because it's something that appeals to people.
It is. The consumers are really reaching for something, and there's not a lot of really good solutions out there. There's a lot of disinformation in the market. There's a lot of misunderstanding in the market about what even something is, let's say, what the word recycle means, or what does biodegradability mean, or what does sustainable really mean, and what are the solutions really like out there. And as part of our sales process, there's a lot of education that happens along with that to make sure that our customers understand and think through the entire scope of end-of-life solutions for their product, and then find the right kind of product mix that fits what they're looking for.
As an executive with the firm, what are some of your bigger challenges?
Well, we're a company that's growing a lot right now.
Yes.
And so our product has been proven in the market. We have folks like Walmart who have identified this as a great product early on. And so all the potato bags at Walmart are made with new plastic and proudly display our new plastic logo. Other companies such as Quick Lock that make the closures for example, bread bags have used our product to create more sustainable solutions. And so the increase in activity, growing operations, and doing all those things to grow capacity present some of the larger challenges
Yes.
that we have.
Now, most of our FiReStarters are brand new to the Future in Review conference, but this is your 4th year here, so
It
you're
is.
kind of unique.
It is. It's a great place where collaboration with the right kind of people can produce great results, and it really fits the DNA of BioLogiQ. BioLogiQ is a company that is very collaborative in nature, science-based, very careful thinkers, very accurate in what they talk about, and that engagement with customers and the industry as a whole help to kind of move the understanding forward. We have a big problem with plastics out there in the world, and BioLogiQ is a company that can actually help move the conversation one step forward.
For the parts that you have that are then scrapped for one reason or another, can they be ground up and put back into the process?
Absolutely. There is certainly recyclable options that we have with the product. You have to really talk about the specifics of each application to make sure, so rather than making a broad statement about anything and everything and everywhere, we're a little bit more careful about the way we choose to explain that, but certainly in closed loop systems and under various considerations, recyclability of our product is something that is happening and something that can happen.
Steve Sherman is the Chief Operating Officer for BioLogiQ. The product is new plastic, and best of luck with your product. It sounds exciting.
Thank you very much. I appreciate being here.